welcome to another video. You already know the drill. Me, I don't have this many shoes, so if you see many shoes, you know I'm not in my house. I'm at my best friend's place. She doubles up as my girlfriend, my wife. That's the reason I'm single, because I am surrounded by a lot of lover. The missus is not around. She's gone to Isiolo for work, and if there's something I love doing is trying out her closet. So we want to try out some of her clothes. I mean, things have changed right now. She had a baby, so many clothes here cannot fit me, but I've picked out several outfits, so let's try them and see where this goes. So guys, this is the first outfit. That's the length, so it's too short.
You are absolutely right.
I don't know if that works, so I can turn comfortably. Or maybe we try with a black coat. So what do you think? Black or red? You guys will tell me in the comment section. We failed miserably at our first attempt at an official wear. When I picked out this dress, I honestly thought it was going to be big, but that's not the case. So this is how it looks at the bottom. I've put the rack so I can create a contrast with the shoes and the carpet. So this is how it looks at the bottom. So this is just a simple off-shoulder dress that can be a weekend plan paired with these babies. Yeah, I wanted to add like accessories, but the accessories are my collarbones.
Period, sis.
Yeah, you can already tell I'm wearing high heels. Booty, 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 booty. That's a song by Nicki Minaj that I really like. It's called Baby Dreams. Ooh! That's how you tell I don't even wear these shoes. So they're so cute. They're new. She's never worn them.
How convenient is that?
So this is the look. This is the other look. This is a shirt dress. It's not even slightly, it's extremely big on me, if you can see, but it will be paired with these babies so that we see how everything looks. This is how it looks like. This is how the full look looks like. I haven't buttoned it to the top because this is too much work, and also these booties are not my style, but they are definitely Valine style, like she's always wearing them everywhere she's going. Is so sentimental because this is the dress she wore when she was doing her baby shower, rather when she was thrown for a baby shower when she was expectant with the baby. So this is it. Yeah, I think I like it. I like this one. Guys, that's it from the closet raid. Yeah, did I have fun? No, I don't like wearing clothes and removing, and also now I have to take back all those clothes that I've been wearing, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I might do this when I go to Kissy with Arita's clothes, who knows, and also maybe I might be motivated to start wearing a lot more of my clothes, because style and me are not in the same category. I only dress up once on Thursday when I'm going to do my show. On Mondays when I'm doing news, I just get a nice shirt. But probably 2021, the goal is to try and be probably fashionable, okay, and just try and look the part. So guys, thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button. This is the other side of me, you know, outside studio, outside work. Not very much fun, but slightly fun, right? See you guys.